Yeah, man. Check my pedals out, man. I will put some more shoes on my bicycle, man. My shoes all breaking up. Yeah, Slate, man. We got to make something happen. Okay. We on the way. We almost at the front door to get some new shoes for Mr. High Speed. Cause Mr. High Speed act like he can't stay out the road. Yeah, man. Put some more shoes on Mr. High Speed, man. You understand me? We here, man. My man, I can get some. I'm trying to get some pedals.
Some pedals?
Yeah. Yeah, man, my man finna get me right with the pedals. Yeah.
Been up, sir?
The pedals. Get some pedals on me.
Yeah, we have pedals. You want us to install it?
Yeah, put them on. That's it. Put them right quick.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, shit.
My bad, y'all. I ain't show y'all the drip. Shit, man. I done got the shoes fixed, man. You understand me? I done got the shoes fixed, man. You understand me? Yeah, man. This how we drive. Hey, you ain't peep. You ain't peep. I went from plastic to steel, though. Plastic from steel now. Them fitted all the plates right there. We ready to ride now? Yeah.